Hello and welcome to Africa and Beyond the Television Network. And according to the family, Comrade Geza has been confirmed no more. So it's a very sad situation. We talked about this earlier today, and it has been confirmed by the family. So they issued a statement, and this statement, it carries a lot. They've also said that they are not going to be doing any fundraising for the burial of Comrade Geza. That is the statement from the family, which is right there on to the screen. So they confirmed the death, that he died in the morning, and secondly, they actually made it so clear that any GoFundMe for the burial of Comrade Geza won't be coming from the family itself. So I think that is something very important, because people need clarity on important matters. So if you see anybody doing a GoFundMe, just know that the person will be doing from his own mind, not from what the family agrees on. So burial arrangements, they will be also communicated in due course, as well as the family spokesperson will be communicated very, very soon. So this is what we have at this point in time. It has been confirmed by multiple sources, including the family, as well as other newspapers and broadcasters in the nation of Zimbabwe. So the death of Comrade Geza is said. Remember, Zimbabweans really wanted to see change happening, and everyone was eager to get to a point where we were going to have change in the nation of Zimbabwe, Taka Kwana. But as you know, the struggle, others perish, others die, and others are left to continue fighting. So at this point in time, we continue to fight, and we fight without fear, fight without favor, and we do not care much, because what you need to see in the nation of Zimbabwe is change, real change, not face powder change. We have said it times without number that we no longer need face powder politics in Zimbabwe. We really need politics which is real, politics which is genuine. The cause of death is cancer. That is what the family said. So I think he was undergoing a lot of treatment right there in South Africa. And as per this, the cause of death is cancer. Questions have arisen, and people have asked whether Zanu PF officials will be at the funeral of Comrade Geza. I think time will tell. What is going to happen is going to be very critical. We will be watching to see what the family will be saying, and also what the government officials will be saying regarding this burial. Will they attend, or they won't attend because they will call him a rival? He's one of the people who was mostly wanted by Zanu PF because he challenged the 2030 agenda, and he did so without any form of hesitation. So he was courageous, and up to his grave, he did this part as a citizen of the Republic of Zimbabwe. So it's said, Team Zimbabwe, but may his soul rest in peace, and may the people of Zimbabwe be comforted as well. So we hoped to be with Comrade Geza in a new great Zimbabwe. Unfortunately, he is not there to be with us in the new great Zimbabwe. So tributes, they are pouring left, right, and center. So many messages which we have seen so far. Tributes for Comrade Geza. A lot of people, they are standing in solidarity with the man himself. And at a certain point in time, he was the most loved man during a certain period in the politics of Zimbabwe. And each and every time he would come to address. So we believe he did this part, and we believe that those left will also do their part. So this is what we have for you. Let us meet in other episodes as well as other podcasts as we continue to look at what's happening in the nation of Zimbabwe.